Hey there, if you know me, you know I love a good waterfall, and the Hudson Valley's got lots of them. From the more popular Waterfall Falls and Stony Falls to some of the lesser known ones. And that's where we are today, Stony Kill Falls. I'm Joel Craig, your guide to Hudson Valley lifestyle and real estate. Let's go check it out. Stony Kill Falls is actually part of Minnewaska State Park. You access it off of Rock Haven Road and then turn onto Shaft 2A Road, head all the way down to the end. After a short walk through the gravel mine, you end up on this nice wooded trail. Be sure to follow the trail all the way around the falls, up to the top, and on up the creek. Got some great views, great scenery.